Sending money internationally is stressful enough. But what happens when you make a mistake and need to hit the brakes? Can you actually cancel or get a refund for a Paysend transfer once it's already sent? It's a situation many of us have faced: a typo in the recipient's name, a change of plans, or simply sending the wrong amount. Dealing with your money once it's in motion can feel like a headache, but with Paysend, your ability to cancel or secure a refund depends on a few critical factors, primarily timing and status. Here's the most important takeaway: Paysend gives you a short window to cancel a transfer yourself. You can typically cancel a transfer within 30 minutes of sending it, provided the funds have not yet been picked up or deposited into your recipient's account. To do this, you'll need to go into the Paysend app or website. Find your transfer history, select the transfer you need to stop, and look for the Cancel Transfer option. Follow the prompts to confirm that cancel and refund. If successful, a refund should be initiated within 3 business days. Now, what if that precious 30-minute window has closed, or the transfer method doesn't allow instant cancellation, like many bank-to-bank transfers in countries like the UK or the US? If the money is in transit or pending, cancellation becomes difficult, and in some cases, impossible, especially for transfers directly to a card. Once Paysend has successfully sent the money to the recipient's bank, it is out of their control. However, not all hope is lost. If the transfer is rejected by the receiving bank, for example, due to an incorrect account number or name mismatch, Paysend will immediately initiate a refund. This process is automatic. Refunds to bank cards can take up to 3 business days, while refunds to a bank account may also take a similar time frame, depending on your bank and country. Remember, holidays and weekends don't count as business days. What should you do if you missed the cancellation window, or the money was sent to the wrong person? Your next step is to contact Paysend customer support immediately. Use their online chat or email them at help@paysend.com. Be ready to provide specific details to speed up the process, including the reason for the cancellation, your registered phone number with the country code, your full name and email address, and most crucially, the transaction ID of the transfer in question. For cash pickup transfers, you can sometimes prevent the pickup by not sharing the secret code and contacting support right away. In summary, act fast within the 30-minute window if you can. If you miss it, cancellation is unlikely unless the transfer is rejected. But always contact support with your transfer ID and details if you encounter a problem. Getting a refund can be straightforward if the transfer fails, but it requires patience. A successful transfer, on the other hand, is generally final. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.